everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We're going to make multiple cut on the green craft paper and roll them. After this, cover it around the plastic bottle using double-sided tape. Let's make flowers now and paste all of them on those cuts. Paste a handle and look, it's ready. Take two strips of paper and fold them in a zigzag way. After this, we're going to draw these flowers, cut each of them and paste those on the top of the green craft paper. Now add more details like leaves and it's ready. First, we're making the leaves, so fold this green craft paper. Now draw the shape of the leaves like this and cut all of them. When you open it, you will get this beautiful shape. Now we're going to put the flowers on the top of it and look how beautiful this is looking. We are going to fold two green strips of paper in a zigzag way. After this, make more such pieces and paste it on the shape of the pot. Now we're going to cut the leaves using green craft paper. Similarly, cut the face of the frog and we're going to make more of them and paste it on those zigzag lines like this. You can also draw some tadpoles and it's ready. Fold two paper in a zigzag way, keep it aside. Now we're going to cut these different shapes and paste all of them on the top of the pond. Look like this. You can add some lotus and draw some lines and it's ready. So fold this green craft paper, open it and then again fold it like this. Fold it into half, paste it using double-sided tape. Now add some flowers and it's ready. As you can see, we're going to draw the shape of the jar on this white paper and color it as well. Now we're going to make a small cut from the lid. After this, we're going to take different colorful paper and draw the shape of the flowers like we're doing here in this video and color it as well. Cut all of them and make more such flowers and leaves look like this. In place of these artificial flowers, you can also use some fresh one and put inside those cut like this and adjust it like we're doing here and look how beautiful this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.